Hi there, my name is Paola and this is my lab. This is a special on 3D printing and more specifically on what to do with the failed 3D prints. I've been working on building a humanoid robot, which includes some components that are 3D printed, but it's work in progress, so I also have a lot of failed prints. And I've accumulated quite a number of items, either failed prints or parts that I printed and don't need anymore because I changed the design of the robot. So I actually have a box full of such 3D prints that I kept around because I've been looking for a solution to recycle the 3D prints that I don't need anymore. But I haven't found anything smart. I know there are some machines that can recycle the material, so you get the filament out, but it would be quite an investment for me to get that. Also, I know that there are some makers out there that build their own machines, but it requires really good precision on the diameter of the filament for it to actually work. And I don't think I have that patience. But I think I got an idea now on what I can use it for instead of just throwing these away. So because it's Christmas season, I thought of instead of buying a tree, maybe I can reuse these plastic materials and build my own tree, my own Christmas tree, a modern version of it. In order to glue this kind of parts together for PETG material, then you would use cyanoacrylate or something like that. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing right. And I have no idea how it will look like in the end, if it will make any sense. But yeah, this is a one-day build. Thanks for watching and happy holidays!